Then check this out.
Ready now?
Hey people, Kiara here from My Digi Affiliate, and today we're going to be promoting a $25 all-in-one digital business using My Lead Gen Secrets and ChatGPT. Now the reason that we promote the $25 business is because it's affiliate system, which is 80% recurring income. So even if you don't use this method to promote the product, get the product if you're an affiliate marketer. It's the best product to promote right now. So anyway guys, if you're interested in following along, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, make sure to hit that notification bell, and let's get started. Alright, so first off, we're gonna see what we did today, our results here. We're gonna look at our results. Looks like we didn't get a sale yesterday, but we're gonna refresh the page so you guys can see that these are real numbers, not trying to fake anything. Very hard to it's easy to see real results, you know. Right, looks like we did not get a sale yesterday. Not a big deal, you just keep going. All right, so first and foremost, I want to show you guys how to get to your links, right? So this is the link that I personally use. Now you can use any link that you want. If you're interested in the link that I use personally, this is it. All right guys, I just want to go and get that out the way. So first and foremost, you're going to click on my link in the description. It says incomespeaks.com or something like that for step one. You just click on it, it's going to take you to this page here. Now this page is the sales letter for $25 business. Tells you how much money you can make, what it is, all that stuff, blah blah blah, right? So you can make $120 monthly commissions. $120 monthly commission. All right, for each customer, guys. Get 10 people, that's rent for most places. All right, at least, and like all your bills for a lot of places in small towns. Anyway, they what is the all-in-one $25 business? It's essentially a funnel builder, guys. Now if you know what a funnel builder is, it basically is a series of websites built to sell something. All right, kind of put you in a funnel, kind of push you more and more just to make sure you get the right people that want to buy this product, something like that. Now a lot of affiliate marketers out there, you guys, you already know what a funnel builder is. Most popular one out there is ClickFunnels. Not necessarily because it's the best one, it's just first, but it has those privileges. So, and it's $100 a month. This right here is $25 a month, guys. Much better deal. And they have a ton of limitations in ClickFunnels, harder to use, all that stuff. Maybe it changed since I used it, I don't know, but yeah, that was the case when I was doing it. Anyway guys, that's what I want to get to you guys. Fantastic deal and fantastic product. But anyway, they also get a charity. If you've seen in this clip a little bit of it, they get a charity, try to feed people, stuff like that. So if you're interested in that kind of thing, that's also a good thing. But anyway guys, we're gonna click on this. All right, and this right here is if you want to try this out, right? Just put in your information to get the product, buy the product, blah blah blah, pre-order, get instant access. Then it's just going to be a series of videos telling you how to make an account and all that. You probably already know how to do it, but it's videos for absolutely everything in this system, and you get your links. Now one thing I want to mention, because you're using my link, guys, you get this product here for free for 14 days. It's a test drive. Basically, it's HBA premium. This is traffic. Try to get people to buy your product. It teaches you how to do that. All right. It's constantly updated once they find better methods, stuff like that. But it's for everything: YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, whatever. Right. And it also has an AI content creation machine to help you with posts and stuff for like Instagram or YouTube or whatever. Like you can't figure out the words you want to use or a title or anything like that. It helps you out with that. And if you want to make a blog or something, it helps you write them, stuff like that. So it's really fun. That's really good. So that's all there is to it, guys. And the coolest thing about this particular product, the 14-day free test drive, is that if you get a sale, you keep that $100. Like I mentioned, 80% recurring commission. Keep that $100, you get a sale. Fantastic. Even though you don't technically own the product. All right, so Now you need a way to promote this product. Now what I'm gonna show you is the absolute easiest way to promote this product. Easiest, by far the easiest way to make money promoting this product. All right, guys. So what you want to do is go to my lead gen secrets, guys. You'll see in my second link there. That's where it says my lead gen or something like that. It's a link down there that takes you to. It'll take you to this page here. And what my lead gen secrets is, essentially you get 100 leads every single day that you can email once per day. For example, if you make an account right now, you'll get 100 leads, and then tomorrow you'll have 200 leads, so on and so forth. You see what I'm saying? Anyway, guys, we're just gonna click on here. We're gonna click on the mailing system here, and we're just gonna use an email that ChatGPT has written for us, guys. ChatGPT has written this email for us, so we're just gonna use it. First, I just want to get my photo here, my photo link real quick, copy. Ain't got nothing to do with anything though. Don't mind that. I just want to put it in my next email. Make sure. All right, so we just gonna go down to one of my ChatGPT emails here. I got a ton of emails in here. Some of them I wrote myself, and a lot of them ChatGPT wrote for me based on my settings. But anyway, we're gonna click on one. Boom, boom, boom. There go another email right there. And all I want to do, I don't already written the email. I changed it around a little bit to make it a little flavorful, you know what I mean? Like this stuff, italicized, bold, some stuff, especially the money, and you know, put my link in there. Boom, done. All right. So I'm just gonna put my photo in here real quick, just to knock this out. Photo out real quick photo I made of myself. Perfect time. Edited to look like a picture, kind of taped on the wall or something like that. Anyway, that's my signature. You can do that as well if you wish. You don't need to do it. I just do it because I knew how to do it. I knew how to do it real quick, so I just did it like that. But that's all there is to it, guys. Now what you want to do is hit perfect timing. It's gonna send an email around the time people check emails, and you're gonna preview. Now while it's preview, I want you guys to, if you're interested in copying the email that I'm sending right now, you can copy it right here. Perfectly fine. I don't mind at all. Just copy it. Go ahead and copy everything right here. As you can see, the title's right here. The whole email is right here. All right, you can just copy that and use it. I don't mind. You guys watch my videos, so it's the least I can do, right? But anyway, the main reason that you want to preview it is because you want to check and see if your link works. And my link does work, so we good there. And then you send the email and you're done, guys. Now there's a couple of things I want to run by you real quick. Is that once you do this, and once you get a ton of emails, all you really need to do is come here, send an email, done. That'll take you about 15 seconds when you get a bunch of emails in the system. All right. Now, another thing I want to run by you is consistency. You got to keep doing this now, guys. You can't just do it once every 4 days or something. You got to do this every single day. Now, if you want to, in fact, if you want to make money online in any capacity, you got to be consistent every single day. Now, the most popular way to make money right now, I'd say, is the shorts. Very short shorts, maybe like 7 to 15 second long shorts, something like that. You don't need to worry about the editing or what you're gonna put up there. Don't worry about all that too much. Like this email here, I don't need to worry about the juice of the email too much. I just need to make sure I send an email. And that's the same way when it comes to posting videos or shorts. I say these are the 3 websites I focus on: TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube. I send it those 3. You can send it all the rest of them if you want to, but I send it those 3 in particular. All right, guys. Now, that should help make money. That should help you guys make a ton of money coming in, have that coming into the system. You know what I mean? And eventually, what's gonna happen is that something's gonna go viral. You'll never have to worry about money again. All right, that's what happened to me. It'll happen to you guys. All right. You'll never have to. Something gonna go viral on some platform, and you'll never have to. And Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok are the best ways to get to it. All right, not Facebook, but on YouTube. Sorry about that. Anyway, guys, that's all it is to it. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell, and I'll talk to you guys next time. Peace.